This grind control feature is what separates this brewer from other automatic coffee makers. To get the most from your integrated grind control system, let's look at how to set your machine for single cup mode. Firstly, fill the water tank by pressing the flip-top lid. Pour in the desired amount of cold water, preferably filtered. The LCD will show the amount of water in the tank as you fill it. When full, the machine will beep and the water level float will rise to indicate the maximum level. Make sure you don't exceed the 12-cup maximum or water spillage may occur at the back of the machine. Now close the flip-top lid. We recommend pre-warming the cup or travel mug to maintain the optimal coffee temperature, which also allows you to enjoy hotter coffee for longer. Fill your cup with hot water for about 30 seconds and then discard it. Place the cup into position under the drip stop outlet. If you have a taller cup, remove the drip tray at the base of the machine. Then, press the open button to open the swing-out door and insert your cup or mug into the drip tray cavity before closing the swing-out door. You're now ready to select single cup mode. To do this, press the cup carafe dial until the LCD screen displays the cup symbol and the current cup size selected in ounces. Rotate the cup carafe dial to select the required size. There are 7 size options to accommodate different amounts of milk, half and half, or creamer. Remember that the amounts displayed on the LCD are only approximations, and these will vary depending on the type of filter used, the coffee grind size and amount, the roast, blend and freshness, plus if it's pre-ground coffee being used. Next, we'll select the brew strength or pre-ground setting. Since we're using fresh beans, we'll select from the 8 strength settings. Rotate the strength dial to select your desired brew strength, with 1 being the mildest and 8 the boldest. Today, we'll start at 4, which we recommend for medium strength coffee. Now that's set, press the Start Cancel button. The grinder will commence grinding the correct amount of coffee for the selected brew size and strength. But if you are using the pre-ground coffee setting, the grinder is automatically disabled. Once grinding is finished, the countdown timer will begin. The LCD will display preheating as the water is heated to the optimal temperature, and the duration will depend on the temperature of the water in the tank. Next, the LCD will display infusing as the coffee and water are steeped together. As you see brewing on the LCD, coffee will dispense into the cup. If at any point you need to stop the cycle, press the Start Cancel button and you'll hear the machine stop. Once the brewing cycle is complete, the ready signal will sound and you'll hear the machine stop. The brewer will then automatically stop and the LCD screen will flash empty coffee filter as a reminder to remove the coffee basket and discard the used grinds. Rinse the coffee basket with particular attention to the basket and chute area. Dry them both thoroughly before placing them back into the machine. While you're there, check the coffee grind's chute disc for any coffee grind buildup. If you see any, brush the disc with the cleaning brush located beneath the hopper and then wipe the disc dry with a soft damp cloth. Dry it thoroughly before returning it to the machine. Ensuring this process is carried out keeps up the performance of your machine. After about 5 minutes of no use, the LCD will dim. Now, it's time to enjoy your perfectly brewed single cup of deliciousness.